In a distant future, people had forgotten how to speak. Everything was done through machines powered by thought. Doors opened with the mind, meals cooked with a single thought. But one day, a young boy discovered a rusty typewriter in an old cave. Curious, he pressed the keys and was startled by the click-clack sound. For the first time, a machine made noise instead of silence. From that day on, the boy wrote every day, creating his own language. But the real surprise began when the typewriter started changing what he wrote overnight. One morning, the boy found this sentence on the page: "I don't just write words, I write the future." After that day, no one dared to stay silent anymore. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting stories.